Hello everyone, myself Raksha. I'm currently studying in the 8th SEM from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about the topic from the topic storage area and the network, where the topic is Introduction to ISCSI. The contents which we are going to see today are Introduction to ISCSI, a protocol used for connecting a storage device over a TCP or IP, advantages, disadvantages, and the use case. Introduction to ISS CSI, Internet Small Computer System Interface. ISCSI is commonly known as Internet Small Computer System Interface or ISCSI. It is a storage area networking transport protocol that allow client device to access block level storage device over a Ethernet network. Like a fiber channel, ISCSI can be used as a storage network and work on a shared network or a dedicated storage network. It cannot, however, support a file access system like a network attached storage or object storage solution, which use different transport protocol. Now we will see how does the ISCSI work. In a storage area network, an independent high-speed network of a connected switch, host, and a storage device, the ISCSI protocol is used to transmit data over the Ethernet network that connect users to a storage device. ISCSI function is a transport layer. It makes it possible for a network connected device to appear local to user. A data packet or a unit of data bundle together of a network transmit is made up of a data payload, a header that store information about the packet, include destination and a origin, IP address. It also called the datagram. The data unit in a TCP transport layer is called segment, and the data unit in the link layer is called the frame. When an end user application initiate a request to operating system, an appropriate SCSI command and the data request are generated. A packet header is added to request and encapsulate as a protocol data unit containing SCSI data inside the TCP header part of the Ethernet frame. The entire frame is then transmitted over the Ethernet network. This will be the diagram of the how ISCSI works. There will be a 5 section where there is a Ethernet header, IP header, TCP header, ISCSI header, and data. In the ISCSI header, the session will take place where the data unit containing a ISCS protocol. From the IP header, the network contain IP address and routing information will be there. Internet header data link provides a physical network capability. The TCP segment will be from the IP header to the TCP header. IP datagram will be from the IP header to the data header, and the Ethernet frame will be total, as we can see in the diagram. When the Ethernet frame reaches its final destination, the target data link layer remove the frame encapsulation and send the result to the network. The ISCSI protocol disassembles the packets and separates the SCSI command, allowing the operating system to see the storage device as a locally connected SCSI device. The SCSI command are sent to the SCSI controller, and the controller divert those SCSI command to the SCSI storage device. The ISCSI protocol is a bidirectional and can also return data in response to the original request. The ISCSI protocol uses the ISCSI initiator and the targets. The PDU depicted in the figure 1 communicates between the initiator and the target. The information in the PDU helps establish a session, transport ISCSI commands, move data and provide node detection information. This will be the ISCSI target and this ISCSI initiator. The ISCSI initiator will be connected to the different hosts like systems, and then those hosts will be connected to the network, and then through network they will be connected to the server, where the server will be the ISCSI target. This will be the diagram for this explanation. Now we can see the advantages of ISCSI. The ISCSI offer a wide range of benefits for an entrepreneur that develop a part of storage area network. Here are some of the advantages. Built-in TOT to eliminate the burden of additional processing on the host CPU. Network interface cards have built-in TCP offload engine technology that offloads the TCP IP stack processing to the network controller. It is a low initial investment. Business can keep their total cost of ownership low by using an ISCSI protocol to access storage device. In addition to low TCO, the ISCSI creates a SAN that easy to install and require minimal maintenance. No additional hardware required. The ISCSI uses the IP-based technology and interoperability of TCP IP and Ethernet without additional hardware. ISCSI provide an extra layer of security to storage network. No additional training is required for network staff to use ISCSI protocol, and increased storage usage without extensive oversight and management keeps the operational cost. Um, Here are some more advantages of our ISCSI protocol. I compatibility. It is a I compatibility because IP is universal, non-proprietary technology that is globally used, different network storage equipments. It is a flexible and scalability. It will be a low power consumption cost, lower interface cost with a fewer activity switch. Online reduces the infrastructure power consumption and the cooling costs. Now we can see the disadvantages of the ISCSI. Conditional performance. When ISCSI technology is used in a mixed network that process business data and ISCSI information, it creates higher latency and performance issues, not SSD compatible. ISCSI uses series technology, which means it's not conductive to a solid state storage device. Limited capacity. It has a limited capacity. The maximum capacity of the hardware disk will be a 250 TB. The maximum capacity of NAS will be 144 TB. Finite connections. The ACI also has a maximum number of 255 connections per session. If the session exceeds 255, the target will reject the coherent connection attempt. And finally, the finite snap. There are limit of 512 snapshot or a virtual copy of a storage per ISCSI application and 64 for a file's share volume. If the snapshot feature fails, data will be unrecoverable and ISCSI performance will be negatively affected. Now we can see the use case. In the use case, there comes the storage area network. ISCSI is a commonly used SAN environment to provide the block level access to a storage device over a network. Virtualization. ISCSI is widely used in virtualized environment to provide the storage to a virtual machine, offering a flexibility and scalability for storage management. Backup and disaster recovery. It enables the remote backup and disaster recovery solution for allowing the replicate of data between the geographical and dispersed location. Data center consolidation. ISCSI helps in consolidating storage resource in a data center, simplifying management and reduce infrastructure cost. Remote office or a branch office development. ISCSI allows a remote office or a branch office to access a centralized storage resource over a WAN connection, eliminating the need of a local storage infrastructure. Overall, ISCSI provide a cost-effective, flexible and scalable solution for connecting a storage device over a IP network, making it suitable for a wide range of application and environment. Thank you for watching the video.